Good journey, everyone. We're opening another really cool and desirable collectible from the Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser. Aboard the Halcyon, they have a shop called the Chandrilla Collection where you can pick up all these items that are exclusive to passengers. Among those items is another one of these Disney interactive remote control droids. This time they've done SK-620. What's cool about this one is it's a character that is exclusively on the Starcruiser. He's a character that appears during your story on there, and they've made him in this really cool big toy form. Of course, they also have him in this tiny toy form, but we needed him in this big interactive form. This is the box he comes in. It's very nicely packaged. And of course, in the back it says, all different droids populate the galaxy. Each droid is different, has their own unique personality and colors. SK-620 is the cruise director's friendly and trusty assistant on the Halcyon Starcruiser. That's the whole description. Cool. Let's open him. Oh, there's a cool pattern in the box. Some paneling, it's some Chandrilla Starline logos in there too. It's fun. Box out of the way. Let's take him out. The best way to take him out of here. There he goes. Oh, he's pretty light. I thought he was going to be heavier than that. The Disney droids, I feel like my other droids at home are heavier than this, but maybe not. It's been a hot minute. There's SK-620. There he is. We should power him on probably. Well, this says this is on. Oh, this might be dead. Someone left the remote on. That's always good. There should be a switch on him as well. Luckily, that was off. See if he's still... Okay, he still works. That's great. Oh, there we go. Goes forward. Oof. And back. You can make it. Come on. Sorry, there's a lip on my desk here. There you go. He goes forward and back. Left and right, of course, as you might guess. That's the head. What are the... Lots of sound. These sound like a lot of R2-D2 sounds. I mean, he is an astromech, so... At some point these repeat. Maybe they already are. I may not be able to tell these noises apart. It's very likely. All right, that's starting to sound the same to me. So, oh, he didn't do like the sad one. I don't know if he has the sad noise. Activate accessory. We don't have any of the accessories for him. So he will work with those droid. He will work with those droid factory accessories and such. So he has the button for it. This is the remote. Let me show you on the super zoom. The remote. There it is. So. Forward and back are here. This is sound. Left and right down here. And then this is the head rotation here. This is the accessory button, which we can't use at the moment because we don't have accessories. Whoa, so I hit that by accident. Let's turn this off. But yeah, so here he is. I just love the fact that it's just a replica of a droid that is exclusively in a park product. These are always super cool, these kind of things. Let me turn him so you can see, get a good look at his side profile. He's a fun looking droid though. Fun, I think it's a pretty good price, $100. I think he's got some things we can play with up here too. Oh, so you can attach things here. There's little holes to attach things on this side. Same on this side. There's a couple of holes there to attach accessories. And then there is actually a place to install that personality chip, which they sell at Droid Depot and Galaxy's Edge. You can buy him personality chips. Again, these should interact with other droids. The personality chip, you can make them do other things typically. They can make different noises and such. The legs are adjustable, so we can, I can readjust this foot to that position and readjust these, and then They can go down at his side if you want. So you want him to stand like this, he can do it. And we can rotate the head at that point. So look at the feet. Well, there's another port here. For more they've got a lot of accessory ports. I've never realized how many accessory ports there are on these things. There is a lot of them. There is a lot of them. I think there's more on these because you can detach these panels on the arm even too and attach stuff there. I don't know if the antenna come off. Probably not. Yeah, leave those alone. There's a hole on his head to attach some stuff that attaches to the top as well. And then there's this panel back here, screws on and off to replace the batteries and such. I almost forgot he has these things that someone in the comments will let me know what these are actually called, but these things pop open. It doesn't look like anything connects there. And they could fall off very easily. I think that's everything that moves on him. I think we've seen everything at this point. So there you go. SK-620 interactive remote control droid. He's $99, right? Let me see if that's right again. $99.99. He's available on the Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser. Take him home. Have fun with him at home. And best journey, everyone.